Good morning. My today's questions are related to the topic the Mauryan administration and the fall of Mauryan Empire. These are very important topic for all the competitive exams like SSC, IAS, BPSC, etc. For detailed information related to these topics, you must visit my YouTube videos. I am sharing the links in description box. Let's start. When was centralized government system established in India for the first time? Answer: during the reign of Maurya dynasty. Write the names of 7 components of the state as per Kautilya. Answer: Raja, Amatya, Janpada, fortress, treasury, army and friends. The Council of 18 departments are known as what? Answer: Shrine or Tirth. Mention 4 important Shrine. Answer: Minister, Priest, Commander and Prince. Who was Samartha? Answer: he was the chief revenue collector of Mauryan Empire. Who was Sanidatta? Answer: he was officer in charge of the treasury and store. Write the names of provinces of Magadha kingdom which existed during the reign of Ashoka. Answer: Takshila, Ujjain, Toshali, Swarnagiri and Patliputra. Low-level employees are in the control of dash and dash. Answer: Yukt and Upayukt. Who was Stanika? Answer: the administrative officer of the district. Who was the head of the smallest unit of administration? Answer: Gopa. How many committees were there in the municipal administration? Answer: 6 committees. What was the function of Pradesh 3? Answer: to check the work of the local, private and village officials. Who was the highest judicial officer of administration during Maurya period? Answer: the king. Write the names of 2 types of courts mentioned in Arthashastra. Answer: Dharmastya and Kantakshodhan. Which type of court was Dharmastya? Answer: civil court. Which type of court was Kantakshodhan? Answer: criminal court. According to Chanakya, which were the 4 components of law? Answer: religion, behavior, character and administration. Write the name of book written by Megasthenes. Answer: Indica. What has been regarded as the social organization as per Kautilya? Answer: Varnashram system. Classify the Indian society as per Megasthenes. Answer: philosopher, farmer, craftsmen or sculptors, soldiers, inspectors, sabhasad and shasak. Write the names of 4 Varnas. Answer: Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas and Shudras. What was the special advantage given to women in Mauryan era? Answer: women were allowed to remarry. Who was the last ruler of Mauryan Empire? Answer: Brihadrath. Who assassinated Brihadrath? Answer: Pushyamitra Shunga. Check your score. Comment me. Thank you so much for watching.